Total eclipse, you probably heard now, it's Monday. It's going to enter, the path of totality is going to be entering from Mexico into Texas across the Red River. Ken Molestina will be in Eagle Pass when that's happening, but it's only a few minutes later, I guess about 20 minutes later, it's over Dallas-Fort Worth. And the more you are in the center, the longer the event will be going. So if you're in the center of the path of totality, it's about 4.5 minutes of this darkness. There's a 90% chance of high clouds. There is a smaller chance that some lower clouds can be in place as well. So the viewing will be affected by cloud cover. The high today was 86 degrees. Believe it or not, that's the warmest day we've had since the last few days of February. And the clouds that have been coming in here at close of day, because we had a lot of sunshine across the day, and then suddenly you saw this cloud cover streaming in from the west. That's going to make for a cooler day tomorrow. We'll be into the upper 70s. Look at that wind out of the south, 20 to 30 miles an hour. So a very windy day tomorrow with a small chance of rain at close of day in the evening. What the First Alert weather team wants you to know most of all is that we have weather alerts out for Monday night and Tuesday. So just as we end the eclipse, we could be going into some severe weather that night. There's the path, and that's how close the rain is in the morning hours. The clouds will probably already be here, mostly high thin clouds, and then through the course of the day, mid-level clouds, rain clouds will be coming up from the southeast. So this is going to be going on as we close the eclipse, let's hope, and then we get into rain that will be going on across the evening. So a lot of people trying to leave town, trying to fly out, and we got rain and thunderstorms going on through Monday night and then all of Tuesday, because Tuesday also has a severe weather threat and a big rain event in store for us on Tuesday that lasts all the way until we get into Wednesday morning, which could be another wet commute as well before it starts to kind of move off to the east as we get into Wednesday night. So it's a long fused rain event with thunderstorms. So severe weather threat, I want to stress this, is after the eclipse, but we are kind of dead center on that slight risk for Monday. And then we get into Tuesday, and still a large portion of North Texas is facing the risk of severe weather on Tuesday. In fact, on Wednesday, it's just in our eastern counties and hopefully leaving, but we're still talking about rain. The timeline: Monday, the severe weather threat after the eclipse with late afternoon rain coming in, but overnight severe threat will be there, and the morning hours with lots of rain. That's why we have alert out, and we have the alert out for Tuesday because of that severe weather threat that morning and again in the afternoon. Again, with lots of rain, because this is shaping up to be the biggest rain event we have had so far this year. You can see that in the colors of red and orange, that's 3 to 4 inches of rain over the 7-day period is anticipated for the eastern half of North Texas. Here is the 7-day forecast. Again, in the 70s tomorrow, upper 70s with clouds coming in, a small chance for some rain and thunderstorms. Don't change your outdoor plans. Then on Sunday, morning clouds clearing, 80 degrees. And then on Monday, rain coming in just as we close the eclipse. And then a really good chance of rain that night on Tuesday and into Tuesday night, finally leaving the end of day or evening on Wednesday. And then we're back to good weather on Thursday and Friday.